So, what if I told you that the secret to a healthier, happier home was already sitting on a shelf at your local garden center? In this explainer, we're digging into the science behind houseplants. And let me tell you, they do way more than just look pretty. They can actually improve your air, your mood, and just your overall well-being.
I mean, really think about it for a second. We spend so much of our time indoors, but the air we're breathing can be jam-packed with hidden pollutants from things we use every single day, like cleansers, varnishes, even floor finishes. So what are we supposed to do about that?
Well, the answer is way simpler and honestly more beautiful than you might think. Indoor plants are basically nature's own little air purifiers. Plus, tons of research shows they can reduce stress and offer a whole bunch of other health benefits.
Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to explore these plants based on their unique superpowers. First up, the heavy-duty air purifiers. Then, we'll look at the absolute easiest plants to keep alive. I'm talking to you, new plant parents. And finally, the ones that give you that extra little wellness boost.
All right, first up, let's meet the heavy lifters. These are the plants that are absolute champions at filtering out all those nasty toxins from your indoor environment.
The main bad guys here are what we call volatile organic compounds, or VOCs for short. You know that new furniture smell? That's formaldehyde, or chemicals like benzene that can be released from everyday stuff. These are the invisible pollutants that our new green friends are going to help us fight.
Kicking us off is the incredible snake plant. Now, what makes this plant so special is its ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, which is pretty unique for a houseplant. This makes it like the perfect addition to your bedroom for cleaner air while you sleep.
And hey, this isn't just a nice idea. There's real science to back it up. Research from the American Society for Horticulture Science actually confirms the snake plant's power to reduce airborne contaminants. So yeah, it's a proven air-purifying powerhouse. Next up is the pothos, and it's one of the most popular indoor plants for a very good reason. It's incredibly sturdy and it tackles a whole range of pollutants, everything from formaldehyde to carbon monoxide. Plus, it adds a little bit of humidity to the air, which is always a nice bonus.
And then there's the Dracena, another toxin-fighting hero. This one targets chemicals like benzene and formaldehyde. And by removing those irritants from the air, it might even help reduce related issues like headaches and respiratory problems.
Now, a really important note for all you pet owners out there. While the Dracena is fantastic for us, it is toxic to cats and dogs if they eat it. So if you've got furry friends at home, you're going to want to choose a different green companion from our list.
Okay, so what about those of us who weren't exactly born with a green thumb? If you're thinking, I can't even keep a cactus alive, well, this next section is for you. These are the easiest, most forgiving house guests you will ever have.
Meet the ZZ plant. This thing is the ultimate low-maintenance champion. It seriously does not need frequent watering, and it's incredibly tough. And as a little bonus, it even has some interesting medicinal properties.
Just how resilient is it? Well, according to the Journal of Hortechnology, the ZZ plant is highly resistant to insects, pests, and diseases. It's about as close to indestructible as a plant can get. For real.
And of course, there's good old aloe vera. Not only does it help clear the air of those pesky VOCs we talked about, but it's also like a living first aid kit. Just keep it on a sunny kitchen windowsill and you'll have instant relief from minor burns right where you need it most.
So beyond just cleaning the air, some plants contribute to our overall sense of well-being in other really fantastic ways. This section is all about the plants that act as natural mood and wellness boosters.
The bamboo plant, sometimes called a butterfly palm, is a brilliant natural humidifier. I mean, if you struggle with dry air, especially in the winter, this plant can make a huge difference. It's also a great air filter, and maybe most importantly, it's safe for your pets.
Kind of like the snake plant, the jade plant also works its magic at night, absorbing CO2 and releasing oxygen. That makes it another fantastic bedroom companion. It also adds humidity and, it's often considered a symbol of good luck, which is pretty cool.
And get this, talk about a long-term relationship. With the right care, a jade plant can live for up to 70 years. 70! It's not just a plant, it's a companion that can literally grow with you for decades.
The spider plant is another fan favorite, and for very good reason. It's excellent at removing carbon monoxide and is linked to reducing stress and even physical stuff like headaches. And here's a fun fact that I found pretty wild. It's non-toxic and actually edible.
Okay, wow, we've covered a lot of amazing plants. So, the big question is, how do you choose the right one for you? Let's put it all together in a simple little guide to help you find your perfect green companion.
See, it really all comes down to matching a plant to your lifestyle. So if you need a bedroom air purifier that's super easy to care for, the snake plant is your go-to. If you've got pets and need to combat that dry winter air, the bamboo plant is absolutely perfect. And for an all-around stress reducer that's also pet safe, the spider plant is just a fantastic choice.
Ultimately, it's a total win-win situation. You get this beautiful new addition to your home that is also working around the clock to clean your air, boost your mood, and just generally support your well-being. It's such a simple act of self-care with really lasting benefits.
So after seeing all these amazing benefits, the only question left is, which of these green companions are you going to welcome into your home first? We hope this helps you create a healthier, happier space. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer.